What happens to your body if you fast for 36 hours? Most people think skipping meals is dangerous, but going without food for 36 hours can unlock powerful changes inside your body that no diet pill or workout ever could. Your gut, your brain, even your fat cells. They all start reacting in ways you wouldn't expect. So what really happens when you don't eat for a day and a half? Fasting isn't some new fad. Humans have been doing it for thousands of years, not by choice, but because food wasn't always around. Today, science is finally catching up to what our ancestors already knew. Taking a break from food can transform your health. But here's the part most people don't realize. There's a huge difference between skipping breakfast and fasting for 36 full hours. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this length of fasting is so powerful, and what you should watch out for if you ever try it yourself. Here's the problem. Most people eat from the moment they wake up until late at night. That means their body is constantly in digest mode. When your body is always busy breaking down food, it rarely gets the chance to repair itself. It's like never restarting your phone. Eventually, it slows down and drains faster. Now, fasting, especially a longer one like 36 hours, forces a reset. But let's be clear, it's not easy. Hunger waves, cravings, maybe even headaches. The challenge is real. Yet if you understand what's happening inside your body step by step, those tough moments become way easier to push through. Before I dive deeper, hit the like button if you want me to break down more fasting methods in future videos, and subscribe so you don't miss out. 0 to 12 hour. The sugar burn. When you start fasting, your body is still running on the food you ate earlier. The first 12 hours? Your body is burning glucose, sugar from carbs, bread, rice, fruit, even that cookie you had. If you're used to snacking, this part can feel rough. You'll probably get cravings, and that's normal. But here's what's interesting. Once your body burns through that sugar, things start to shift. And this next stage is where most people feel their brain reboot in ways they didn't expect. 12 to 24 hour. The switch. Around 12 to 18 hours in, insulin levels drop. That's huge. Insulin is the hormone that tells your body to store fat. When it drops low enough, your body flips the switch and starts tapping into fat for energy instead of sugar. This is the point where many people report feeling sharper, lighter, even calmer. It's almost like your body has been waiting for this. 24 to 36 hour. Fat burning and repair mode. This is where the magic happens. At around the 24-hour mark, your body ramps up something called autophagy. That's just a fancy word for self-cleaning. Your cells start breaking down old, damaged parts and recycling them. Think of it as your body taking out the trash. On top of that, human growth hormone, HGH, levels go up, sometimes as much as 5 times higher than normal. HGH isn't just for bodybuilders. It helps protect lean muscle, boosts metabolism, and even supports skin and bone health. By the 36-hour mark, you're deep in fat-burning mode. Your liver is pumping out ketones, which your brain loves using as fuel. Many people describe it as a mental high. No crash, no fog. Now, here's the part nobody talks about. Fasting isn't just about burning fat. It actually changes the way your body ages. Studies show that longer fasts boost stem cell production, improve gut health, and may even reduce inflammation linked to chronic diseases. Some researchers believe these fasting windows hit the reset button on your immune system, clearing out old weak cells and replacing them with stronger ones. Not just slimming your waistline, but rewinding parts of the aging process. Fasting isn't about starving the body. It's about feeding the cells a chance to heal. The safety note. Now, before you think everyone should try this, here's the truth. If you're pregnant, underweight, diabetic on medication, or dealing with a health condition, fasting this long can be risky. Always talk to your doctor first. So, let's recap. First 12 hours, you're burning sugar. 12 to 24 hours, insulin drops, fat burning begins. 24 to 36 hours, autophagy kicks in, growth hormone spikes, and ketones fuel your brain. It's tough, but the benefits go way beyond the scale. Fasting this long is like hitting the reset button on your entire system. So now you know what really happens when you fast for 36 hours. Would you ever try a 36-hour fast? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll be reading and replying. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone curious about fasting, and subscribe for more simple, science-backed health tips. Your body can do incredible things when you just step out of its way.